Larissa here, and in this video we're going to discuss what exactly is a cluster house and how does it differ from a traditionally built home. Now, if you Google cluster housing, 99% of the results will take you to Asian developers or real estate sites or news blogs and news sites discussing Asian cluster homes. It's very popular in that part of the world. However, it's not just Asia, and it's not brand new. Cluster housing has been used in Europe, especially in Great Britain, for hundreds of years. Now, it's taken a while, but cluster housing has finally come to the great old USA. Okay, but what exactly is a cluster house? Cluster homes provide the easy maintenance of a townhome or condominium, but still offers the prestige and the privacy of owning your own single-family home. Cluster homes can be found in many different shapes, sizes, and configurations. As the name implies, cluster housing consists of closely grouped homes. They are usually small to medium-sized homes built on downsized lots. They are usually arranged around a cul-de-sac, in a T formation, along a shared driveway, or perhaps clustered around a shared central courtyard. Cluster homes have sometimes been referred to as zero lot line housing or high density housing, although those terms are not exactly interchangeable. Now, because they are smaller, they are less expensive to build. Cluster housing allows buyers to purchase a single-family home along the same price point as a townhome or even a luxury condominium. In addition, the interiors offer all the same upgrades and amenities that you would find in any other single-family home. Although they do have small yards, each yard is carefully put together and made very attractive so that you still have some outdoor space for entertaining or just simple personal use. To make up for the smaller personal space, developments will offer shared outdoor recreational and green space in the community for walking, biking, picnics, and other recreational activities. Communities benefit from cluster house developments because they offer high-density housing that is not quite as high density as, say, apartments or townhomes. In addition, it's easier for the developers to build the homes in such a way that it maintains the community's character. My husband and I have purchased a cluster home that is currently being built. Each house shares a common cobblestone driveway. As you can see, these homes are very attractive. You're looking at the models. Of course, my home isn't built yet. What I like about this is I'm really hoping I get to know my neighbors like the people used to do in the old days. If you'd like to learn more, go ahead and subscribe and follow along in our experience as we create new videos. Bye.